Alright guys, round 2, picking up a Gecko from the FedEx shipping center. Awesome experience, love working with FedEx. Let's go. Oh, I can imagine. Yeah. No problem. Alright, thank you very much. Rhactodactylus auriculatus. So really excited right now to go home and open up this brand new species that I'm going to be keeping for the first time and that we are going to be working with at Geeky Gecko Creations, the gargoyle gecko. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you around a little bit and show you what I'm up to right now. So I just got back, really looking forward to getting the gargoyle gecko out. Got a couple of things set up that I need to.
We've only got one shot, gonna take it now. Going all in, gonna make it count. Won't look back, gonna set my eyes. There ain't no practice runs in life. This is 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 life.
Here she is. Here is the thing I made at Home Depot. And these, like I said, I bought from Walmart for $5 each. And the plan right now is to just put them in there like so. Alright, let's cut it up here. So, live harmless reptile, 1 gargoyle gecko. Awesome. There she is. The reason I picked her is because she has these 4 awesome stripes going down her back that are very solid and connected. She hatched February 10th. I hope her colors turn out really, really bright, but even if they didn't, the fact that those stripes are so predominant, she could have really good babies later on in life. Alright guys, well, if you have any questions or comments, comment below. I'm going to get her all set up, take a few more pictures to post on the social media platforms, and thanks. I'll see you later.